Okay, with this checkpoint number one, which is on the basic lab safety equipment usage, you're going to pick up the Columbia High School Science Lab Safety Rules. You'll need to read through them in terms of what we expect here at Columbia when we're using lab equipment and different things. Some will directly apply to this class, some won't, because some of them are written more for a chemistry class, but we will be using chemicals in this class, so you do need to have these rules on hand. So you'll pick up the hard copy off the front counter or get a copy from me, or you can actually print them off. You can open this PDF attachment right here, print them off if you lose that. That's number one. The second thing is this user agreement that you find on the next page. This has to be signed digitally. I won't be giving you a hard copy that you'll return to me because I don't take paper copies back because of COVID. So basically where it says I, the student, simply click here, type your name. Your parents or guardian will click on the next one, type their name, check whether or not you wear contacts. This is more for a chemistry class, but like I said, we do use chemicals in here, and there is issues with contacts and chemicals. And finally, what you will do is on this one here, where it says parent signature, they will need to sign it digitally. They can do that with their finger, a stylus, or if the very least, they can just simply type their name in here. But if you go to sign this on OneNote, just simply click on the draw, pick a pen, pick a color, and then just simply, your name. I need to see their type name in this section up here, and then a signature down here. And then, of course, you can submit that checkpoint.